48 hours. That's my deadline. My entire crop is dying. If I don't connect this field to water now, we lose everything. This machine, this mud, this race against the drought. It's all on me. You're in the driver's seat. Let's go. The problem is simple. Climate change killed the rain. For millions of small farmers like me, unpredictable drought is the new normal. We can't wait for massive infrastructure projects. This is our immediate defense. This simple trench isn't just about water. It's about food security. Fail here and the price of your groceries rises globally. Look closely. This isn't random digging. I need a precise 1 to 2 degree slope. Why? To let gravity power the entire system. Zero pumps, zero electricity cost. This open channel design is cut deep and narrow to minimize one key enemy, evaporation. We're maximizing efficiency using minimal technology. It's sustainable engineering, adapted for survival. The machine fights thick clay, roots and rocks. Every scoop is a struggle. I have to read the soil, constantly adjust the hydraulics, and maintain that perfect slope. If the line is off, the water stalls, and the last 24 hours are wasted. This constant adjustment, this physical battle with the earth, is the reality behind every bag of rice or coffee bean. Why should you care about this mud hole? Because the resilience of my small farm directly affects your stability. When we secure our harvest, we stabilize global supply chains. This low-cost, effective innovation boosts yields by up to 40%. A massive win against poverty and hunger. This trench is a powerful example of how local solutions are solving a global crisis. We made it. 47 hours and counting. The water is flowing perfectly down the canal, drinking deep into the thirsty soil. It's a beautiful sight. It's life. It's hope. And we built it ourselves. What's the biggest farming challenge in your region? Is it water, cost, or something else? Tell me below. If you want to see more of the real work that feeds the world, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on the next project.